I went to my very first car meet with the Tamron 17-70mm F2.8 lens. I want to preface this video by saying that I do not usually take pictures of cars. In fact, the only time I do is when I'm out doing street photography and I just happen to see a nice car. Otherwise, I leave the car photography to the professionals. I thought I'd make this video to showcase the capabilities of this lens and my Sony a6600. Some things to note is that I was using an ND filter that I'll link down below, and I edited these photos on Adobe Lightroom. Enjoy.